Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So basically in this video, we're going to be reviewing the sports betting software OddsJam. The way this video will be structured is we're going to get on the laptop and I'm going to go through the different tools that OddsJam has in order to help you become a profitable sports bettor. And then at the end of the video, we're going to look at the different memberships that are available for the OddsJam site. If you are interested in getting joined up to OddsJam, I have left a link down in the description that will get you a 7-day completely free trial, so definitely check that out if you're interested. Before we get on the laptop though, I just wanted to talk about how OddsJam could help you make money in sports betting. And basically that is due to the free bets that bookmakers give out in order to attract new customers. So that's one of the things that OddsJam specialize in by allowing you to have bets that they supply to you with their software and make it so that you can bet on all the outcomes and guarantee risk-free profits from those free bets. Another bit of software that they have, which I'll show you in a second, actually shows you positive EV or positive expected value bets is the full name. And they are basically bets where, so a bookmaker will set odds where the odds will be slightly in their favor so that over the long term, they will make the money. That's how it works. That's how bookmakers make so much money. Well, the OddsJam software actually provides these positive EV bets where they find the bets that are actually in your favor, and they're just slight discrepancies that sometimes bookmakers don't realize that they've put out there, and then you can take advantage of those with the OddsJam software. They also have odds comparison tools on their site and something called arbitrage betting tools, but we'll get on the laptop now and I'll show you all of that in detail. But getting on the laptop then, this is the main dashboard. One of the crucial things I think to sports betting is having a software like this where you can actually track every single one of your bets, because if you are just placing bets and you're not tracking them, you're really going to struggle to make sure that you're only taking good positive expected value bets. And if you're just betting without the tracking, then how will you know exactly what you're doing? Now the first tab here along the top of the screen, if we click that says odds. That gives all of the different sports here and shows the very best odds at different bookmakers. So if we just click on soccer here, I'll show you an example of this. Soccer, obviously in the UK, being football. But yeah, we can see here that it's giving us this number here, so the house edge number. And we can scroll down. These are all the different soccer matches there. There's one there, so Leicester City, Leeds United. And it's giving the odds there and showing that the house edge is 21.06%. So it's a really clever software that just finds all of these matches for you and provides you with all the numbers that you need in order to take advantage of these bets here. Now the next tab along there after the odds tab is the betting tools tab. So it has the arbitrage tool, the low hold tool, which is the bit of software there that will show you which bets to take to guarantee money from those free bets. It also has the middle tool and then the positive EV tool as well. If we just look at these tools then in a bit more detail, first we'll check out the arbitrage bets tool here. And this top one here, just to click this calculator on the very left hand side, we can see that if you just simply type in that you're going to bet $100 there on the bookmaker Circa Sports, and then it's going to tell you that you need to bet $42.60 at Ladbrokes there, or Ladbrokes, depending how you want to pronounce it. And that's going to give a guaranteed profit of $2.24 there. Now, that's just an example. Of course, there can be better matches there. That's just the very top one. But that just gives you an example there of the power of the software, where it's just giving you the bets where you can place bets and make that guaranteed risk-free profit. Then the very next tool down is the low hold bets calculator. And this is something where it gives you a conversion here. So if we click this left-hand calculator again, if, for example, this bookmaker was giving a $1,000 free bet, and many of the welcome offers in America are actually such large amounts here, we can see that these bets here would actually give us $817.31 of guaranteed profit from a welcome offer such as that. The next tool down to look at in this list then is called the middle bets tool. And this is a really cool tool because it gives you these different available bets here where if you place two bets, you can then have it where the points, if the points finish at exactly what you want, you will win both bets. And if it doesn't, then you'll just lose a very small amount of money, so a very small, what's called a qualifying loss. But when they do land in that exact, what's known as the middle, so that's why it's called a middle bets calculator, or tool, should I say, then you win both bets, and that's when you really see those huge profits from those kind of bets. Then at the very bottom of that betting tools list, we have this positive EV bets tool, and we can just go ahead and click on the calculator here on the left, and that is just going to give you the percentage chance of that outcome happening with the odds that are being given out at the bookmaker there. So you can actually go through there and find those positive expected value bets where instead of the odds being slightly in the bookmaker's favor or sometimes very in the bookmaker's favor, you can put them, as I said at the start of the video, find bets that are slightly in your favor or sometimes very much so in your favor, and just place those bets and actually make a really nice profit over the long term of doing them. Now, on from the betting tools tab, we have all of these calculators here, and I won't go through all of them because of course you'll be able to look at these on the free trial that you'll do if you are wanting to check that out. But basically everything we just spoke about there is a calculator tool then. So if we just show one here, the expected value calculator. So there's a big guide here on the right hand side showing exactly how to use the calculator, and then you can put all the numbers in there on the left hand side and it'll give you just all the information you need. And so, you know, this software is really, really complex and just sets you up to be a profitable sports bettor basically. After the calculators tab, we have this bet tracker tab here, and that's just going to allow you to enter your bets or enter your deposits and withdrawals to different bookmakers and just really keep track of everything as the name suggests. So if we click on bets, this then, as usual, has that nice guide there showing you exactly what to do, and then you can then just select new bet there on the right hand side and fill everything out so you can track it really, really simply. Then on the resources tab here, we can go ahead and click on that, and there's the getting started guide. So if you go onto that, it literally shows you, all of the different tools, how to use them, what they do, and it's really, really good there for really teaching you what to, how to use the software. And then on resources as well, you can click on the Sharp Betting blog, and there's just so many videos and blogs here talking about different things in sports betting, and just lots of helpful, great information there to help you out. So we've checked out the software then. Yes, it's a fantastic bit of kit, but the next question on everyone's mind will be, okay, it looks great, but how much is it going to cost me? Getting back on the laptop then, we can see that the arbitrage plan, so that is I say basic plan, but there is actually quite a lot included anyway. But the more of the basic plans there is that $99 a month, or roughly around £70 a month, because you can join this if you are in the UK and Europe, in fact. But it has pretty much everything you need there. If you go for the industry plan, which is that $199 a month, then you just get the additional, these two ticks here at the bottom. So you get unlimited positive EV bets and email alerts, and then you also get the OddsJam perfect line odds included there as well. That is going to do it for this video though. If you made it to the end, I do just appreciate you tapping the like button. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.